Rohit Sharma, the former T20I captain of India, is expected to leave Mumbai Indians before IPL 2025, triggering a bidding war among franchises in the mega auction. The head of cricket development of Punjab Kings, Sanjay Bangar, stated that Rohit will be a highly sought-after player if he enters the auction. The retention rules set by BCCI will play a crucial role in determining the future of Rohit with the franchise. After being replaced as captain by Hardik Pandya in IPL 2024, Rohit's time with Mumbai Indians seems to be over. West Indies all-rounder Carlos Brathwaite was furious and threw his helmet beyond the playing surface after being declared out in a cricket match. The incident occurred during the Max 60 Caribbean Super 3 2024 game between the New York Strikers and the Grand Cayman Jaguars. Brathwaite, batting on 7 runs, failed to connect the ball and it hit his shoulder before being caught by the wicketkeeper. The New York Strikers posted 104/8 and the Grand Cayman Jaguars were restricted to 96 in their run chase. Former skipper Ramesh Raja expressed his disappointment with Pakistan's fast bowlers following their 10-wicket loss to Bangladesh. Raja criticized the team's decision to opt for an all-pace attack, stating that it backfired as Bangladesh spinners took many wickets. He also highlighted India's success in exploiting Pakistan's fast bowling weakness in the 2023 Asia Cup. Raja emphasized that Pakistan's fast bowling reputation is now tarnished and called for a focus on improving skills and performance. Legendary all-rounder Shahid Afridi also questioned the team's decision to play without a specialist spinner and praised Bangladesh for their performance. The second and final test between the two teams will commence on 30th August. Pakistan suffered a 10-wicket defeat to Bangladesh in the first test, marking their first loss to Bangladesh in the longest format. Senior players faced criticism for their lack of contribution. Pakistan's all-pace attack backfired as Bangladesh spinners took 7 wickets in the second innings. The team is looking to correct their mistakes before the second and final test. Former cricketer Ramesh Raja has called out Shan Masood for his poor performance and decision-making during Pakistan's loss to Bangladesh in the first test. Raja emphasized that Masood needs to score runs and show his captaincy skills to justify his place in the team. He also criticized Babar Azam for his batting and stated that Pakistan must win the upcoming test to alleviate pressure on the team. The second test will commence on 30th August in Rawalpindi. Legendary Pakistan wicketkeeper Kamran Akmal has criticized the national team for their poor performance in the first test against Bangladesh. Akmal expressed disappointment in the players' technique and called their batting performance a mockery of Pakistan cricket. Despite the defeat, Captain Shan Masood promised to rectify their mistakes and perform better in the second test, which starts on 30th August. Waqar Younis will step down from his role as advisor of cricket affairs to Pakistan Cricket Board chairman, Mohsin Naqvi, following just one series. Younis, who took on the position after Wasim Akram declined, is reportedly unhappy with certain officials within the cricket board and has stopped going to the office. The PCB has already started the process of hiring a replacement, with interviews being conducted for candidates who have applied. Younis had previously expressed his intention to bring in more former cricketers to help improve Pakistan cricket. West Indies defeated South Africa by 30 runs to win the T20 International Series with a game to spare. West Indies scored 179-6, with Shai Hope and Rovman Powell contributing crucial runs. South Africa, despite a strong start, was all out for 149. The series concluding T20 will take place on Tuesday. Pakistan captain Shan Masood has accepted his mistake of declaring early in the first test against Bangladesh. Masood admitted that they should have added another 50 to 100 runs. Bangladesh went on to win the match by 10 wickets and take a 1-0 lead in the series. The second and final test will start on 30th August. Former all-rounder Shahid Afridi slammed Pakistan for leaving out a specialist spinner in their defeat to Bangladesh. Afridi questioned the decision to prepare a pitch favouring fast bowlers. Despite the loss, Afridi credited Bangladesh for their performance in the test match. Pakistan captain Shan Masood blamed the Rawalpindi pitch and acknowledged their strategy mistakes. The second and final test will start on 30th August.